300K in 3 months using the skill you currently have on these apps. Yes, so in this video, I want to show you how to scale your monthly income from maybe 50 or 60K every month to 300K. I'm assuming you already have a digital skill that makes you money. So the idea is to move from how much you earn right now to multiple six figures every single month. If you don't have a skill yet, let me know in the comment section. If I get a lot of response, I'm going to make a video on the best digital skills to learn, where to learn them, and various ways to make money with these skills in my next video. If you went to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get high ticket clients for your service. If you are new here, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time we publish new videos. Digital skill is your ticket to making millions. So let's say you are a graphic designer or a social media manager, a content creator, and you currently earn 50K. You want to start making 300K in the next 3 months. These are 3 steps you are going to follow. Now, before we dive into the steps, let's first explore what 300K in 3 months means. It's 100K every single month. Let's punch the calculator. 100K divided by 30 will give us 3.33. That is approximately 3.5. That is 3,500 every single day. Is this figure possible? Absolutely. Can you do it? Yes. So the first step is to get good at what you do. Let's say you are a graphic designer and you are just average. The first thing you need to do now is to make a list of experts in your industry who are killing it and then start following them. Here's what you're going to do. Screenshot their best designs, start recreating them. The more you recreate, the better results you get. So what are the social media platforms your target audience, your target customers use? What are the social media platforms the experts in your industry are displaying their work? You need to be there. You need to go there and pitch your tent. Make it a daily routine to learn something from them and practice. Create an optimized profile and start talking about what you do. This is all about building a personal brand. Create valuable content around what you do. So the first month, you are not going to increase your revenue, but we are going to get you ready for the exponential increase. You get the vibe, right? In summary, in the first month, you get on the right platform that you're going to get these premium clients. You optimize your account to be seen by your target audience, and then you polish your skill, because this is one of the biggest secrets to scaling to multiple 6 figures every single month. With this step 2, start building your personal brand aggressively with valuable content. Valuable content is the only way to put yourself out there and demonstrate that you are the right person to work with. Here are some of the social media platforms I recommend you use. TikTok, because it's easier to grow and go viral on TikTok if you have valuable content. YouTube, because YouTube is the king of platforms. LinkedIn, this is where you meet professionals. Instagram, a lot of small businesses use this platform. Finally, Facebook, especially Facebook groups, is actually easier to sell on Facebook. So you're going to go on and pick 2 or 3 of the platforms that resonate most with you based on what you are offering. For the next 3 months, you're going to offer value to your target audience. Now, I know this is going to be a lot of work, but you can do it. I'm even thinking of having accountability program here on YouTube. Would you like us to have accountability program where I make posts on a daily basis to help you stay on track, share ideas that will help you get started? Don't worry, it's going to be absolutely free. Now, if you love us to have accountability program, let me know in the comment section. If I get up to 50 response, we are going to do it. I'm going to show up here. Sometimes you go live to talk about what you can post, how to go about it, and everything. I have just one goal to the end of this year. I want to raise a community of hundreds of young people who are making decent amount of money for themselves on a daily basis. So on 31st of December this year, we're going to gather here and see how far we've come. Are you game? If it's something you love, let me know in the comment section and we are going to kickstart as soon as possible. So back to our topic. Let's use example with content creation. Say you are a graphic designer. Do you know that hundreds of thousands of small businesses depend on you to be in business? Every business is coming online, and there's no business that will be online and do effective job without graphics. But the problem is sometimes you don't understand how valuable what you offer is, and as such, you lose out on opportunity to make as much money as possible and even make impact in the lives of your target audience. So here's what you're going to do. You need to start creating content that address the problems your target audience, your ideal customer has. Why do they need to be online? Why use graphics? What happens if they don't use good graphics? How do they lose out on opportunities to make sales without graphics? What are the types of graphics a small business owner should use? How do they get these graphics? Share relatable stories. Share personal experiences, your wins and your loss, and then crack jokes too. Now, when it comes to content creation, the first secret is to get clear on whose problem you solve. Now, you're going to make a list of their problems, their pain points, make a list of their desires, what do they want, and then you begin to create content that revolve around these topics. So this applies to all skills: content creator, video editor, copywriting, and the rest of them. Your ideal customers, you need to start engaging meaningfully on their posts. Then influencers they follow, you need to also engage with those influencers, because that's actually where the both of you meet. If you do this the right way, soon you will start getting their attention. If you're getting started with content creation, you want to learn everything about content creation, how to write, what to write, and even how to generate the content for your business, this book is for you. I talked about everything you need to know about content creation in this book. So use the link in the description of this video or the one in the first comment to grab a copy. Step 3 is to create an offer. Now, this is one mistake I see a lot of creatives make. You start creating content, you're getting attention, and you get lost in that, forgetting that you are a business person. This is the structure of a good content. You have 80% free value and 20% promotion sales. So 80% of the time you are giving value and 20% of the time you are promoting your offer. People don't buy until you make an offer. So you need to remember to always make an offer. When it comes to creating offers, I'll advise you go for 3-tier offers: low priced offer, which is low hanging fruit, medium priced, and then premium offer. So this way you're able to cater to all levels of your ideal customers: people that are just starting out, they don't have a lot of money to invest; people that are mid-journey and they have a reasonable amount of money, they want it batched. Okay, and then finally the premium guys who have a lot of money to throw around and they want premium service. So in month 1, you made your normal 50K a month because we are focused on preparing you to scale. In month 2, the revenue increases. You've now introduced 2 more tier offers. This is how you're going to promote your offer to increase your revenue. You're going to offer discount to your already existing customers and even referral. So someone you've been working with, if they're able to refer another person, you give them a special discount. The next marketing strategy you're going to use is collaboration. As a graphic designer, you can actually collaborate with web designers, because when people build their website, they need graphics. With such a collaboration, you are going to double your revenue because you're going to be getting a lot of customers from this collaboration. So at the end of the month, you're able to earn 40K from your low priced offer, 60K from your medium offer, and maybe 100K from your premium offer. That is a total of 200K. Let's just say the premium offer didn't happen in 2nd month. The 3rd month, you doubled down, and then at the end of the 3rd month, you're able to earn 40K from the basic offer, 60K from the medium offer, and then 100K from the premium offer. So we have 50K from month 1, 200K from month 2, and 200K from month 3. So you're talking about 450K. Now, let me show you how to get high-ticket clients. First, you're going to pinpoint 3 brands who are your ideal customers. Write them down. Now, second step is to go on and do a quick research on this brand. Find out who's been providing this service you offer. If they already have it, find out their pain points. These are the pain points you're going to help them solve when you get on board. Armed with this knowledge, you need to reach out to them. You're going to make an offer to work for 10 or 20 days, absolutely free. You actually want to prove to them that this service you offer is going to help them. And you need to clearly state what you're going to do for them and how what you're going to do for them is going to help them scale their business from point A to point B. No cent business will say no to such an offer. Once you seal this deal, go on and deliver value. At the end of this 10 to 20 days free trials, 2 things will happen. First, you will be retained. When they see the value you offer and how you're able to transform their business, they will simply pay you your fee and have you retained to offer this value. Second option, you were not retained. Maybe they don't have a budget for it. But because you delivered value, they are going to recommend you, refer you to another business who needs your service and has a budget for it. Say you were not retained for any reason, you've gained experience, valuable experience, and you've also gotten testimonials, a proof that you've worked for this big brand, which makes it super easy to get hired. It's a win-win game for you. That is it, guys. This is how to scale from 50K a month with your digital skill to over 300K in the next 3 months. This is not going to be easy, but it's doable. I mean, people have done it and be able to change their stories. So you too can do it. Let me know in the comment section if this works for you. See you in my next video.